think it's innovative in terms of the level of partnership. So from the beginning, for example, Welsh Government allowed me to have a placement in the creation of the white paper proposals, but they also put in place the Task and Finish group, which was in effect opening the doors of Welsh Government to hear from experts in the area and to be informed by that. People in education and health and criminal justice. So we really wanted to make the proposals embedded in what their daily understanding of these issues is.
When you speak to people who've been through domestic abuse, they often tell you that, well, they weren't even aware that it was not a healthy relationship, and sometimes they've gone quite a long way down the track of the abuse before they recognise that it's an abusive relationship. So we knew that if we didn't do something about this early on in children's lives, then there was a very good possibility that delivering it too late was a complete waste of time.
So this was an original piece of research with preteen children, looking at children's gender and sexual cultures. It's about working with young people to creatively and safely raise awareness of some of the issues that are important to them, that enable young people to articulate some things that are very difficult to express. And sometimes you can do this through objects or art or poems, and you can work with these.
So young people have got together and thought, how can we persuade Assembly members to push forward on this, or receive Valentine cards explaining what the project had been about and how they felt about it.
Inside the Valentine's card, we posted 3, and these are made little ruler slips, and every single slip had a comment that a student had written as part of the Assembly's, their listening activities, and we marched to the Zenith and we posted them.
I think young people learn that if they try to interact with an important national institution, they can actually achieve outcomes if they do it in a way that's got a powerful argument with it.
Having the legislation is not just important because we've got a law that needs to be implemented by public bodies. It's really important because it's raised awareness and brought this issue up the list of priorities in the minds of public policymakers in Wales.
We have to put well-being in the centre of school life because you won't learn if you're unhappy. So let's get that right. Let's make sure that children are listened to and that teachers know what to do.
I think this Act is a real tribute to the fact that we can work so collaboratively. It's been about the power of us listening to each other, listening to children, listening to women, listening to young people.
There's a message now and an infrastructure around how to reinforce that message, that this is actually really important. It affects everyone's day job, whether you know that or not, and the Welsh Government is making that very clear. And that's, something that you're not necessarily able to be a part of even once in your lifetime.